Hi everyone. So my name is Uchi as in Gucci, and I'm the founder and CEO of Chimoney. So imagine for a second needing a separate remote for every TV channel. That would be pretty frustrating, right? Yet that's what happens with sending high volume cross-border payments. Limited reach, slow transactions, and high fees are the norm. But with 1 billion people surviving on just $2 a day, if they have to wait for 14 days to get their money, that is like 14 days without food and the basic needs of life. But Chimoney solves this with a simple solution. So with Chimoney, you can send payments to anyone in the world using just their phone number or email. And Chimoney is different from the thousands of fintechs out there because we're connecting multiple payment options like gift cards, bank accounts, mobile wallets, airtime, and even crypto, and bringing it all together on one platform. And today, Chimoney is already used by both Google and Microsoft for sending high volume cross-border payments to their open source communities, to developers, creators, and things like that. So Chimoney is actually 20,000 times faster than existing solutions because with existing solutions, about 14 days versus Chimoney, 1 minute to send those payments. So how does Chimoney really work? So with Chimoney, you enter the email or phone number of the person you want to pay. It could be one person or 1,000 people, and then the amount, and then they get a payment notification, which is delivered to them instantly. And then they have the option to cash it out to their bank account, to mobile wallets, to gift cards, to airtime, and crypto on 7 blockchains. So last time when I spoke at the summit, we kind of talked about how Chimoney worked. So without going into too much details, Chimoney is made up of multiple paying and payout services. All of those services are connected together to ensure that value can flow across all of those stack. But since the last time we talked, we've been able to integrate to banks and enable payouts to 100 different countries. So if you receive payment on Chimoney platform, you can cash it out to 100 different countries. And also, in the last few days, we've integrated with Rafiki, so you can actually issue a Chimoney payment pointer today. So, time for a demo. So for the demo, we're going to show a couple of use cases of how Chimoney can be used for sending payments. Okay, so we're going to see a couple of demos of how Chimoney works with Interledger. The first one is for doing mass payouts to multiple payment pointers at once. So imagine that a company like Google or a company that supports developers in the Interledger community wants to pay out to, say, 500 developers that already have a payment pointer. They can do it with Chimoney. So how it works is that I'm going to copy all of these payment pointers here. These are like live payment pointers that some developers got yesterday, and also some of mine also. So I'll go to the Chimoney payouts dashboard, and then I would click on send Chimoney. So normally on the Chimoney platform, you can send payments to emails, to Twitter, and also to phone numbers. We've been able to also add sending payments to payment pointers. So this is going to load, and we can send payment instantly to all of the payment pointers I just copied. So I'll click on send payments to the IOP address. I'll select $10 each. I'll enter all of the payment pointers, and it tells me the total I'm going to pay. And when I click pay from wallet, that payment is going to be processed. So currently, the payment gets initiated on the Chimoney side of things. We call Rafiki to create some codes and things like that. I'm not really going to go into all of the details of that. But for now, since the payment pointers are Chimoney issued payment pointers, we are also handling when we receive the incoming payment request, we're handling it on our side and then funding those Chimoney wallets. But in the future, when we pair with other providers like GitHub, we'll be able to also do the same thing with them. So this is going to complete in a bit. And for now, the payments would show as paid on our platform. So this is just kind of loading. I should probably have used an account with fewer transactions. Okay, so all of these payments that I just sent now are currently paid, but in the last few minutes, like a minute or so. Okay, so you see it in real time, it's being marked as redeemed. When we receive those webhooks, we're kind of redeeming into the Chimoney wallets. in real time. So that's kind of one of the demos that I wanted to show. The other demo, it's let me go back here. So the other demo is to send payments to a payment pointer using the Chimoney API. So Chimoney as a technology stack has both the dashboard side of things, which is B2B, and then we have like APIs for other developers to integrate with. So what we've been able to do is that we've built a platform that allows companies to launch remittance solutions without worrying about all of the regulatory and compliance and also integration complexities. So one platform, Chimoney, multiple countries, multiple payout options, and Interledger also. So I'm going to send a payment to Jennifer's payment pointer. So when I click, let me try to find, okay, so I'll switch to the Chimoney developer docs here, and I just have to enter like the amount I want to send, the wallet address, and I'm going to send maybe $30. So when I click that, that payment gets initiated, and at the same time, same thing that happened in the dashboard, we initiate a transaction on our side of things, and let me see. Interledger wallet address is invalid. I'm not sure why, but let me see. So that's a live one. Uchi. So hopefully it works. Okay, I think it should work. So it's just kind of doing a lot of the payment initiation, and this works. So we get a response about this payment. It tells us, since this is cashed out already, it kind of gives us additional information about that payment, and there's no error. And I also got an email right now telling me that I received I sent the payment, and also I received the payment. I just got the email now also. So yeah, so the payment received email, and it was sent to my payment pointer. So that's the second demo. The third demo is, let me see. Okay, so this one, I think we try to make it work. What this does is that we created an NFC card. So this NFC card, you can link your profile, your Chimoney public profile plus your payment pointer. And how it works is that I already linked mine, and all I have to do, or anyone I give this card to can scan it. So when they scan it, it opens, so let me try to scan that. Okay, yeah, it's open now. So it opens a screen there, which is my Chimoney. I'll just copy the link and show the screen on my laptop instead. So I'll copy the link that is linked to that, to this NFC card. So it's a Chimoney public profile, and when it opens, you notice that I have some of my socials there. Shout out to Finboss. Finboss was an inspiration for like the socials. And the payment side of things is like my Interledger payment pointer or wallet address. So I can send payments to this payment pointer if I wanted to. So because Chimoney is like a network of payment networks, we support multiple crypto for paying and payouts, right? So if someone wants to send me money to my Chimoney wallet, they can enter their email here and the amount they want to send, and this transaction will be initiated. So if I wanted to send myself $100 there, I guess 100. So when I click pay, what happens is that transaction is initiated on the Chimoney side of things, and then we go to the Chimoney checkout experience. So for the public profile stuff, we don't support things like bank payments and card payments for compliance reasons. So we support mostly paying from Chimoney wallets to paying from crypto. So if I click on the crypto options, there are a couple of options to pay with. So SRP Ledger, BNB, things like that. And once that payment is completed on chain, that wallet is funded via their payment pointer. Okay, so that's it. And we have some of these cards available. So if you want, maybe Jennifer is going to pass out some. And if you want one, you can get one and create a profile, a Chimoney profile, link your wallet address, and then just try out how it works. So I think that's everything. Let me look at the slides. Just okay. So I guess the last slide is about where we're at Chimoney. So before Rafiki, Chimoney already kind of existed. So we built a platform that makes it possible to pay anyone in the world using just their phone number and email. Like I mentioned before, businesses like Google and Microsoft and others use Chimoney mostly for transforming their payment process from like 14 days to 1 minute. So sending payments to email and allowing the beneficiaries to cash out those payments to bank accounts, to gift cards, to mobile wallets, airtime, and things like that. And we've been able to deploy Rafiki. So we did that in September, and just about 2 weeks ago or so, a new version of Rafiki was launched. So we had to make lots of changes to get the new one to work. So just this past 2 weeks, we got the full end-to-end integration to work. And since we like to move fast and want to try things, it's live. It's actually a live version of Rafiki that I showed. So the next phase for what we're doing at Chimoney is to pair with other licensed entities. Just Chimoney is regulated and licensed in Canada. And we're going to pair with folks like Finboss and also I'll speak to the folks at GitHub also to see how we can pair together. With what we've built, when a user sends a payment to maybe a GitHub payment pointer or a Finboss payment pointer and back, the settlement should just work because we're using Rafiki. And then the next step is we're going to launch an e-commerce and merchant solution with Chimoney that has an Interledger support. And then in December 2024, we want to support more countries. Again, the vision is we want Chimoney to be the one platform that connects all payment networks in the world, and we want to be like the Stripe for payouts with a developer experience that is second to none. So if you want to learn more about Chimoney, please scan the QR code and connect with me, and then we can talk more about the technical details and lots of other things. Thank you so much.